Yes, write down the chapter name. 14, the universe. Chapter 14, the universe. This is there. So dear children, see that what is universe. First I want to introduce you what are the learning objectives of today. Write down here learning objective. What is the learning objective for today's class? Write down here. You will be able to understand. लिखिए, you will be able to understand what is the difference between stars and the moon. Stars and the moon. This is our learning objective for today's class. Okay. Then later on we will see the difference in between stars and planets. Here I want to introduce about universe. First I want to say that what do you mean by astronomy? Astronomy. What is astronomy? Write down. What do you mean by astronomy here? The study of the universe. The study of the universe surrounding us. लिखिए, the study of the universe surrounding us. The study of the universe surrounding us is called astronomy. It is a part of physics. And जो बच्चों इस फिजिक्स को पढ़ता है, the scientist who study astronomy, लिखो, the scientist who studies astronomy is called astronomers. They are called astronomers. The scientists who study astronomy are called astronomers. तो ये जो हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं बच्चों एस्ट्रोनॉमी. Now, can you count the number of stars? No, it is not possible for us. Have you ever tried to count stars? Have you ever tried? No, sir, it is not possible. In a cloudless night, the moon and stars make our night beautiful. In the night's time, if you go on a roof of your house, you can see a beautiful sky. A number of stars are there. A number of stars are there. The mysteries of universe have been studied in great detail by various scientists. A lot of mysteries there. So we are having a many questions in our mind. Still we are not getting the answer. So dear children, most astronomers believe that universe began with a violent explosion about 15,000 million years ago. ये सब केवल मात्र कल्पना है. It is an imagination only. It is an imagination only. तो लिखिए बच्चों, the stars. लिखो, the stars, the moon, the stars, the moon, the planet, the stars, the moon, the planets, and many other objects in the sky, stars, moon, planet, and many other objects in the sky is called celestial bodies. CELESTIAL, celestial bodies कहलाती बच्चों ये. The moon, planet, stars, and many other objects called celestial bodies. ये बच्चों जो celestial bodies होती हैं, ये heavenly bodies होती हैं. These are called heavenly bodies. HEAVENLY, heavenly bodies. तो जो बच्चों एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स होते हैं, study the universe and heavenly bodies that make up the universe to understand the structure, patterns, and movement of universe. We are going to see in this chapter. Write down. सबसे पहले बच्चों एक वर्ड आएगा यहाँ पर गैलेक्सी. Do you heard the name earlier? What is galaxy?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What is
sir.
galaxy?
Group of stars.
Yes.
Group of stars.
Very
Group
good.
of stars.
लिखो यहाँ पर galaxy. It is a group of stars and other celestial bodies. Write down. Galaxy is a group of stars. Galaxy is a group of stars and other celestial bodies being held in place by gravitation. In place by gravitation. Now, अब बच्चों हम एक नई चीज पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. We are going to see what do you mean by night sky? What do you mean by night sky? Here. What is this? A large group of celestial bodies. लिखो, a large group of celestial bodies like that of stars, comets, asteroids. जब वो सब साथ में होते हैं, they are collectively called a galaxy that we have seen. That is collectively called galaxy. क्या कहलाते हैं बोलो?
Galaxy.
Very good. लिख लो. हमारे यूनिवर्स में millions of galaxies are there. In our universe, a lot of galaxies are available. In our universe, a lot of galaxies are available, each having innumerable stars and celestial bodies are available in different galaxies. Are available in different galaxies. देखो, galaxies are of various size. Galaxies are of various size. Galaxies are of various size, various shape. Some galaxies may be regular, but it is not necessary. The galaxies may be regular. It may be irregular also. Not a regular shape of galaxies are there. So लिखो, the galaxy of which Earth is a part. The galaxy of which Earth is a part. The galaxy of which Earth is a part. Earth is a part. Is called Milky Way. Is called Milky Way. So these all are one mark questions. The galaxy of which Earth is a part is called Milky Way. क्या कहलाता बच्चों, बोलो? Milky Way.
Milky Way.
Yes.
And Akashganga.
और आकाश गंगा भी कह सकते हैं इसको अपन. लिख लो मिल्की वे और आकाश गंगा. ये लिख लीजिए. इट इज एन स्पाइरल शेप. स्पाइरल शेप कैसी होती है? स्प्रिंग होती जैसे ये, लाइक दिस. हियर इन दिस मैनर वी कैन से. तो इट इज एन स्पाइरल शेप. Our solar system is at one of its edges. You can see the figure of Milky Way and Akash Ganga in your book. Say in this manner. It is in a spiral shape. Write down these things. लिखो the twinkling stars, moon and shooting stars we can see from the earth. Twinkling stars in night time we can see easily. We can see the moon also. Likho twinkling stars, moon can be seen from the earth, but they are very far from us. बहुत ही दूरी पर है वो. We cannot measure easily. We can't measure the distance easily right now. अगर आप अभी कह सकते हैं मेजर करें, तो we cannot measure here. Now the distance between the heavenly bodies is so large. The distance in between the heavenly bodies is so large that the meter or kilometer measure become insufficient. ये नहीं कह सकते कि इतना मीटर दूर है, इतना किलोमीटर दूर है. तो it is not an easy job. It is not an easy job to find out the distance. A larger unit called light year. लिखिए, a unit in which these distances are measured. लिखो, a unit in which these distances are measured is called light year. Is called light year. It is also 2-mark question. What is light year? One light year, लिखो इसकी definition. One light year is the distance traveled by the light. Is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year. Distance. It is a distance traveled by the light. Distance traveled by the light in 1 year. In 1 year. The distance traveled by the light in 1 year. लिख लो बच्चों. What do you mean by light year? It is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year. 1 light year. We can write here 1 light year. 1 ly ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं आप इसको. In a simple form, 1 light year, that is the speed of light. Speed of light. The unit of speed of light is meter per second. अभी बताता हूँ ये कितनी होती है. Speed of light in meter per second and 1 year. 1 year. 1 year in second. The speed of light in meter per second, बच्चों लिख लो कितना होता है. How much it is, you know? No sir. लिखो. the speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8. Speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. The unit of speed of light is meter per second. लिखिए, तो स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन 1 ईयर में बच्चों कितने दिन होते हैं? 365. कितने आवर्स होते हैं? 24. और इन ए आवर 60 मिनट और इन ए मिनट 60 सेकेंड. ये इन ए ईयर देयर आर 365 days, 24 hours, 60 minutes and 60 seconds. So we can calculate 1 light year. One light year is equal to year. 1 light year is equal to, जब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे आप तो you will get it here 9.46 into 10 raised to the power 15 meter year. 9 such an huge amount, 10 raised to the power 15 means 10 के पीछे 15 times 0 is there. 9.46 into 10 raised to the power 15 meter. If you want to write down in kilometer, divide it by 1000. So 9.46, when you divide by 1000, so you will get it 10 raised to the power 12. That is in kilometer. If you divide this equation by 1000, so we can get here in kilometer. So also remember this value. It is also a 1 mark question. One more unit is there, astronomical unit. लिखो astronomical unit. Write down astronomical unit, जिसको कहेंगे हम AU. लिखो astronomical unit is the average distance. It is the average distance between the sun and the earth. Astronomical unit is the average distance between the sun and the earth. Between the sun and the earth. And one astronomical unit जो होती है बच्चों, that is equal to 1.4 into 10 raised to the power 11. 1.4 into 10 raised to the power 11 meter. That is something like this. Approximately लिख दीजिए 1.5. ये याद रह जाएगा आपको. You can remember it only 1.5. Yes. Okay. Write down here. Now अब हम बात करेंगे बच्चों stars. What do you mean by stars? Dear children, stars are massive balls. Stars लिखो are the massive मतलब ज्यादा मास होता है. Massive का मतलब उनका मास ज्यादा होता है. और burning gases. देखो stars are massive balls. Stars are massive balls of burning gases. ये बच्चों बहुत गर्म होते हैं. These are huge celestial bodies which are extremely hot and emit light of their own. तो burning gases होती हैं, वो बहुत ज्यादा गर्म होती है. They are so hot. तो लिखो यहाँ पर stars are massive balls of burning gas. Stars are made up of two gases. That is hydrogen and helium. देखो stars are made up of two gases, hydrogen and helium. Stars are made up of two gases, hydrogen and helium. ये जो बच्चों हमारा सन है ना, जिससे अभी हमको लाइट आ रही है, it is also a star. Sun is also a star. लिख लो sun is also a star. It appears bigger and brighter. It appears bigger and brighter than any other stars. It appears bigger and brighter than any other star. Because it is very closer to the earth. क्योंकि बच्चों ये अर्थ के सबसे ज्यादा पास में है, सन. That's why it is bigger. हमको बिगर नजर आता है. That's why it is bigger. तो लिख लो, stars are mainly made up of hydrogen and helium first. Stars are mainly made of these two gases here, hydrogen and helium. Sun is also a star. The time taken by the light, जो लाइट आ रही है सन से हमारे पास तक, ये भी एक नंबर का क्वेश्चन है. लगभग 8 मिनट लेती है बच्चों ये. हाउ मच टाइम इट इज टेकिंग?
8 minutes.
8 minutes 14 seconds.
यस, लिख लीजिए. The time taken by the light to reach the earth from the sun is approximately 8 minutes. Approximately ये अपने एग्जैक्ट नहीं चाहिए. We can write only 8 minutes. The next, जो हमारे nearest star है, that I am going to write here. Write down the name Proxima. P-R-O-X-I-M-A. Proxima. It is another name of star. Centauri. C-E-N-T-A-U-R-I. And many others are there. The stars are always present in the sky. कुछ नाम याद रख लीजिएगा ये. Stars are always present in the sky, even during the daytime. But during the daytime, due to sunlight, we cannot see. We cannot see. Otherwise, stars are always available in the sky. इस बात का ध्यान रखें आप. Stars are always available. They are not visible because of bright sunlight. Sun की लाइट बहुत ज्यादा होती है. That's why we cannot see in the daytime. We can see only in night time. The earth rotates, लिखो, earth rotates about an imaginary axis. Earth rotates about an imaginary axis. Here बच्चों, this is east. Here we can say east, west, north and south. We can say like this. East इधर ले लो, चलो. I can say here, my dear children, लिखो, earth rotates about an imaginary axis from west to east. From west to east. ये इधर लीजिए, चलो ये सही रहेगा. East. Now, so we can say earth rotates about an imaginary axis from west to east. Here, due to the rotation of the earth, you feel that stars moving from east to west. Stars moving from east to west. अगर अर्थ रोटेट कर रही है फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट, तो आपको लगेगा स्टार रोटेट कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम ईस्ट टू वेस्ट. दिस एक्टिविटी यू कैन डू एट योर होम आल्सो. आप अपने रूम के चक्कर लगाइए, देखिए ऐसे, लाइक दिस. हम यूं घूम रहे हैं, तो हमारे रूम के जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, दे आर मूविंग इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. व्हेन वी आर मूविंग लाइक दिस, ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर मूविंग लाइक दिस. दिस एक्टिविटी यू कैन परफॉर्म एट योर होम. करके देखो अभी. You are observing or not? You can do this activity. The direction change due to the motion. Okay? बच्चों इन सारे स्टार्स में से वन लास्ट थिंग मैं बताने जा रहा हूं, लिख लो इसको भी। There is one star in the northern hemisphere. There is one star in the northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. There is one star on a northern hemisphere that always appears to be stationary. That always appears and stationary star at northern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, a stationary star always remains at the same position. उसको बोलते हैं बच्चों हमारे इंडिया में ध्रुव तारा। क्या कहते हैं उसको?
ध्रुव तारा।
ध्रुव तारा लिख लो।
Tara.
We can say ध्रुव तारा। और एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स जो होते हैं उसको कहते हैं बच्चों पोलरिस और पोल स्टार। ये एस्ट्रोनॉमी को ये नाम दे रखा है। और इन आवर इंडिया वी कैन से ध्रुव तारा। लिख लीजिए। You can also do the one more activity. ओके, तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडे। इसी के आगे अपन कंटिन्यू कल करेंगे। अच्छी बात है। इफ यू हैव एनी
Yes,
काइंड
sir.
ऑफ प्रॉब्लम रिगार्डिंग टुडेज आर्टिकल देन आस्क। यस, सेंड मी द अटेंडेंस। ओके बच्चों, बाय
बाय सर।
बाय
Thank you, sir.
बाय।
Bye.
Yes, sir.